Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to see how we can use CountMeta-Argument in Terraform and what is the purpose of using CountMeta-Argument. So suppose if you have to create 10 EC2 server, then how you can do it? You are going to create one one resource block for one EC2 instance, or you are going to create it manually. So instead of that, you can use CountMeta-Argument to create those 10 EC2 server in really quick manner. That will save your time and that will save a lot of your effort as well. Okay, so what we have to do, so let's just go back to the Terraform documentation, and here you can see we have already discussed about depends on meta argument, and we are discussing about count meta argument. Okay, so instead of creating one block for all EC2 server, we can use just count meta argument, and it will create how much EC2 instance we want. Okay, in really quick manner. So let's go back to the Visual Studio Code, and here we have already defined our resource block. Okay, so suppose I want to create 4 EC2 instance. So what we have to use? 4. We have to write simply 4. Okay, and here name you can give any. Okay, but if you want to create resources in sequence like 0 1 2 3 like that, okay, then you have to use this index value. Okay, and you have to define it as a variable. So just copying it, I am copying it, okay, and pasting it here. So I have given here the name is web, so I have to use same here web. Okay, then count and dot index will be same, so just save it. Okay, everything looks fine now. So let me delete this file, so that one is not required. So Terraform will create that again, so let me delete it. Okay, let me save it again. So now we have to run our command. First terraform init to initialize the repository, then we have to run terraform plan to show how much resources Terraform is going to create and what is the exact plan. Okay, plan. So as you can see, Terraform have created log file, okay, a state file, and so you can see it here, plan 4 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. Okay, so let me run terraform apply. So you can see it here, Terraform state file is there. So what is the state file? So see, its state file is blank till now because Terraform didn't created any resources using this script. Okay, so once the resources will get created, the state file will have all the configuration detail, whatever resources Terraform have created. So you can see it here, right? It was blank before and now it just came. So version, Terraform version, serial, so output, resources, mode, and indexes, everything you can see it here in the state file. And suppose if you delete the state file, okay, and if you try to run Terraform apply again, then what will happen? It will create again whatever resources was there before, it will create the fresh one. So don't try to do it don't try to delete the state file whenever you are working with Terraform. So our resources got created. Now let's go back to the AWS console and just refresh this page, and you can see it here. Wave 0 is running, Wave 2 is running, Wave 1 is running, Wave 3 is running. So it like we have created successfully resources using CountMeta-Argument and using the variable as well in the index form. Okay, so we have so the name is Wave 0, Wave 1, Wave 2, Wave 3. So you can see it's in sequence. Okay, so this way we can use CountMeta-Argument to create multiple resources in really quick manner, okay, in Terraform. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.